thank you for an amazing day. That's appreciate it as usual. And yeah, and I recommend going to see that dog film. So if you have a chance, watch it in the cinema because it is an amazing film. So yeah, thank you, Doctor. Anyway, I'm just walking back now. Now just video chat here after, and yeah, thank you for everything as well, and for spending time coming out and seeing me. And I'll see you on Friday going to Manchester. Yay! So if you live in the Manchester area, come down to the coffee set at Media City, and I'll be there waiting for the cars. So yeah, peace out for now. If you live in Manchester, come down.